Hi, I'm Claudia from Cake4three. Today, let's quickly see how I made this beach cake decoration. It's a decoration of my cake in 5 minutes in the microwave. You can find the link in the description. It's easy and fast to do, only gelatin needs some resting time. I have a heart-shaped mold, so I used a heart-shaped base, but you can use the shape you want. The initial shape is not important. I prepare a mascarpone cream, a little mango, strawberry jam, mango juice syrup. You can find the doses in the description. I will use a glass baking dish to contain the cake, which will simplify the assembly and help you in case the jelly is not solid enough. I cut the cake into 2 layers and then cut it lengthwise. Keep in mind that you will need to leave a space in the baking dish for the jelly C. With a round cake, you can make half or a moon shape. I make several layers in a mountain, alternating, wet base with mango syrup, jam, mascarpone cream and mango. I cover everything with mascarpone cream. The more irregular, the better. Then I cover with 100 grams of dark chocolate melted in the microwave and then with another 100 grams of white chocolate heated in the microwave. The chocolate is used to seal the cake from the gelatin. I sprinkle the crumbled biscuit on top, while the chocolate is still warm and sticky. The biscuit will be the sand from the beach. For the decorations, I melt in the microwave a sheet of gelatin, which previously I left to soak in cold water, and squeezed well. I use the melted liquid gelatin, thus obtained in some silicone molds. I do not dilute it, because I need it quite solid. I use food gel, to give it the desired color. If you have sugar paste at home, be careful not to use the sugar paste in contact with the gelatin, but these decorations can be used on top of the beach if necessary. Put in the fridge to cool. The decorations can be prepared the day before. To prepare the jelly for the C, I dissolve in hot water with sugar and lemon, 2 grams of gelatin, 1 sheet. For every 50 grams of liquid, the gelatin needs always first softened for 10 minutes in cold water. If you want, you can use a drop of blue gel food coloring. Let it cool to room temperature. Pour into the cake pan, being careful not to wet the crumbled biscuit. You can put some jelly decorations on the bottom of the C. Let it cool in the fridge for at least half a day. Enjoy! I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please click on the like below and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you are interested in more content of this type, and eventually what you would like to see. If you know anybody interested of content of this type, feel free to share. Thank you again and stay tuned for my next videos.